Welcome to our channel. Today, we're blasting off to our planetary neighbor Mars, a world of rusty red deserts, colossal canyons, and mysteries that have captivated humanity for centuries. We're about to uncover 10 mind-blowing facts about the red planet that might just change the way you see our place in the cosmos. From towering volcanoes to ancient riverbeds, Mars holds secrets waiting to be unlocked. Get ready to explore the wonders of Mars, a planet that continues to ignite our imagination and fuel our dreams of space exploration. Let's get started. You know, folks, when it comes to volcanoes, Earth has got nothing on Mars. Take Olympus Mons, for example. This behemoth isn't just a mountain, it's a shield volcano so massive it dwarfs anything we've got here. Imagine Mount Everest, the tallest peak on our planet. Now picture a volcano nearly 3 times its height. That's Olympus Mons, a 13.6-mile-high giant that dominates the Martian landscape. To put that into perspective, if Olympus Mons were on Earth, it would cover an area roughly the size of the state of Arizona. Now that's one epic volcano. Like Earth, Mars is tilted on its axis, and just like our home planet, this tilt gives rise to seasons. But don't pack your swim trunks just yet. Martian seasons are a different beast altogether. You see, a year on Mars is nearly twice as long as an Earth year, clocking in at a whopping 687 days. This means each season on Mars stretches out for months on end. Summers can be surprisingly warm, at least by Martian standards, while winters are frigid and harsh, with temperatures plummeting to hundreds of degrees below zero. Forget gentle breezes and passing showers. Mars is a planet ruled by dust storms, and I mean monster dust storms, the likes of which would make a hurricane look like a gentle zephyr. These storms are so massive, they can engulf the entire planet in a swirling red haze. Imagine looking up and seeing nothing but a crimson sky, the sun a distant memory. These storms can rage for months, shrouding Mars in a veil of dust and wreaking havoc on anything or anyone unfortunate enough to be caught in their path. Chapter 4. Phobos and Deimos, the Martian Moons. Mars might seem like a solitary world, but it's got company out there in the vastness of space. Meet Phobos and Deimos, the 2 Martian moons. Now, unlike our own stately moon, these 2 are relatively small and lumpy, more like captured asteroids than traditional moons. Phobos, the larger of the 2, is a bit of an oddball. It orbits Mars faster than the planet rotates, meaning it actually rises in the west and sets in the east. Talk about a celestial head-scratcher. Chapter 5. Ancient Waters, Echoes of a Blue Mars. Here's something that might surprise you. Mars wasn't always a dry, desolate world. Billions of years ago, liquid water flowed across its surface, carving channels, forming lakes, and maybe even oceans. We're talking rivers that would make the Nile blush, lakes that would dwarf the Great Lakes, and oceans that might have spanned entire hemispheres. The evidence is etched into the Martian surface. Dried-up riverbeds, ancient shorelines, and minerals that form only in the presence of water. It paints a picture of a very different Mars, a world that might have once harbored life. Chapter 6. Valles Marineris, the Grandest Canyon of All. Move over, Grand Canyon, there's a new sheriff in town, and it's on Mars. This is Valles Marineris, a canyon so colossal, it makes the Grand Canyon look like a ditch. Imagine a scar carved across the face of Mars, stretching over 2,500 miles long and plunging to depths of up to 7 miles. That's Valles Marineris, a testament to the immense geological forces that shaped the red planet. To give you a sense of scale, if Valles Marineris were on Earth, it would stretch all the way from New York City to Los Angeles. Now that's what I call a canyon. Chapter 7. A Thin Alien Air, the Martian Atmosphere. Don't even think about breathing on Mars. The Martian atmosphere is about as hospitable to humans as the vacuum of space, and that's putting it mildly. You see, the air on Mars is incredibly thin, about 100 times thinner than Earth's atmosphere, and what little air there is mostly carbon dioxide, clocking in at a whopping 95.3%. Add to that the lack of a global magnetic field to shield from harmful radiation, and you've got a recipe for a very inhospitable environment. Believe it or not, Mars has ice caps, just like Earth. These icy crowns sit atop the planet's poles, growing and shrinking with the seasons. But here's the twist. Martian ice caps aren't just made of frozen water, they also contain a healthy dose of dry ice, which is frozen carbon dioxide. Imagine a landscape of shimmering ice, stretching out as far as the eye can see, a stark reminder of the extreme conditions that prevail on the red planet. Ever dreamed of being lighter on your feet? Well, on Mars, your dream would become a reality. Due to its lower mass and density, Mars has weaker gravity than Earth, about 37% weaker to be precise. This means that if you weigh 200 pounds on Earth, you'd tip the scales at a mere 74 pounds on Mars. Imagine the possibilities, leaping over Martian rovers in a single bound, setting new Martian high jump records. It'd be a whole new world of athletic potential. We've sent probes, orbiters, landers, and rovers to Mars, each mission adding another piece to the puzzle of this enigmatic world. We've got rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance trundling across the Martian surface, snapping pictures, analyzing rocks, and basically acting as our robotic emissaries. These missions aren't just about satisfying our curiosity, they're about unraveling the mysteries of Mars's past, searching for signs of ancient life, and paving the way for future human exploration. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Mars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating space facts. From its towering volcanoes to its ancient riverbeds, Mars is a planet that never ceases to amaze. It's a world of stark beauty, scientific wonder, and endless possibilities. So, keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep your eyes on the stars. See you next time.